Hey YouTubers, this is Old Guy Doing Things here, and my objective today is to share a Chinese battery success story with you. I ordered the 16 cells, 280 cells last Tuesday, and they arrived on Saturday. So I had a 4-day delivery time. I ordered them through a lady by the name of Jenny Wu, who works for Doucan, and they have a Houston warehouse. Found out about them through Ray Bill's Cool Stuff on YouTube, and I would recommend that any of you take a look at Ray's videos. He has contact information for Jenny. She took all of the mystery out of buying these cells, took the risk out of it. I felt really good about the transaction. So far I've only opened one of the boxes that had 2 cells in it. Packing was great, the cells are really good. I'll take care of opening the rest of them sometime today. Now, one other outfit or person I want to give credit to is Andy's off-grid garage in Australia. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these cells in one of these crates. Now I've already built one, and this will be the mirror image of the one that I have in service on my large off-grid system. But I'm going to build the cells, I'm going to put them in here, and I'm going to, this time, rather than going through all the painful top balancing process, I'm going to use the results of Andy's testing. Going to put them in here and have the BMS do the top balancing for me. So I'm going to work with that and see how that works. I'm going to reconfigure this system back to 48 volts to set them all up and to go through that test process. So again, Andy, Off-Grid Garage, and Ray, who builds Cool Stuff, thank you all very much for all your inputs. And one other big thank you, the DIY forum that Will Prowse has helps us all in putting these systems together. So I hope you all have a good day, and so far I see no reason not to recommend Jenny, and especially this Houston operation, to get your cells delivered quickly. Have a good day, folks.